Police say the box truck continued on and was not found.
And the word is through, not thrug. We've got to check our spelling
I
on
just
the
can't
lower
see that
third.
because of the, it's just too long.
Oh, it was covered by the
Yeah.
by you. I blame you with the.
No, not me.
It's the little bug with the
For sure.
with the temperature. Is that really what happened though? It covered it up.
Looks like it did.
All right.
We'll solve that mystery.
I don't know.
No one else even saw it. They're asleep.
That's all right.
So,
exactly.
Above freezing sounds sadly lovely.
Inviting, right?
Today,
Inviting. It's been a gradual process, and I have to say for myself, I thought yesterday at least had the sting out of the air because the wind wasn't there.
You didn't have any nerve endings anymore, Amy.
Yeah, that's
No,
what I think.
that's what it is.
I think when we went from just those single-digit temperatures,
Thursday was the worst.
it was.
Thursday
so
was
bad.
the worst day.
Yeah. Friday morning
was awful.
We were cold too. We're easing our way though back to normal here over the weekend, and we're gonna make our way towards near 60 degrees. That sounds pretty good, right? Let me get you the information you need to know getting out the door this morning. We have dry skies today and tomorrow. We'll be dealing with cold temperatures that make their way towards the freezing mark early this afternoon. That would put us at about 72 hours of sub-freezing conditions. Looking at the numbers right now coming out of Central Park, we have 17 degrees, humidity 41%, winds are calm, our pressure is holding steady. We've really had our lowest temperature at 17 so far this morning. I think we make it into the mid-30s. Seems pretty reasonable with the atmosphere that we've got happening here and the developments. At 9 degrees right now for Danbury. Our temperatures are in the mid-teens, except for Brookhaven's at 11 out on Long Island. We're looking at numbers north and west colder, though. And over at the Goose Egg, big 0 and 2 below for Monticello right now, just 2 degrees in Poughkeepsie. The wind chill factor is less today, but it's still around in some areas, so be aware of that, especially if you're out and about. Make sure you've got all the winter weather gear with you. Just covering up makes a big difference. 24-hour temperature change. We are a handful of degrees warmer, and we're going to continue that trend. Our normal high for this time of year is 36, 39. I think 36 will fall short of that, but we're getting closer, and tomorrow we'll make it to the mid-40s, so we'll be about normal for this time of year. All right, light winds today. No big weather features, so we're not looking at any storms to track. Instead, it's going to be this northwest wind coming in for the afternoon that's very, very light. Dry skies prevail the rest of this afternoon. Sunday is dry, and closing out the weekend, all we're looking at is temperatures warming up even more. So AccuWeather, they're calling for a high of 36 today, seasonable. Tonight we go down to 16. We could have some single digits in the suburbs. And here's the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Look at Monday. 51 degrees. That's mild. It's above average for this time of year, but even warmer on Tuesday with a high of 56. Some inland areas that do not have any snow on the ground because the temperature is even warmer than that, pushing towards 60. More clouds on Wednesday, 42 degrees. Rain is likely on Thursday. I think rain actually will begin late on Wednesday night, continue into Thursday during the day. It'll be a soggy, damp day. 46 on Friday with a mild, with a shower around and mild temperatures.
Yeah.
What a
And
dramatic
Chicago
swing.
will thaw out in July.
I mean, think of that. Yesterday's temperatures could double by Monday.
All right, that's fine.
We'll
That's
take
good.
it. Thank you, Mother Nature. Some mercy, some mercy.
You got it.
So good. All right. David Fizdale offers up his side of the Kristaps Porzingis trade.